Hello everyone, welcome to my video lesson, and for this video we will discuss about multiplying and dividing rational expression. Alright, so without further ado, let's start our discussion. But before we proceed to the rational expression, paano nga ba ulit mag-multiply ng fraction? Okay, so here's the procedure or instruction. To multiply fractions, we will multiply the numerators together, okay? And also we will multiply the denominators together and then you can simplify it. Okay pa? Next, the rule of the multiplication of rational expression. Ganito yan. We have P over Q times R over S that is equal to P over R over QS. Bakit nga ba natin ni-recall kung paano mag-multiply ng fractions? Because magagamit natin siya in multiplying rational expression. Okay, so sabi dito we have P times R, kaya magiging PR, and Q times S, magiging QS. Okay? And also, kailangan daw polynomials yung P, Q, R, and S natin in one variable. And also, the denominator or Q, R, and S must not be equal to 0. Okay? Kailangan hindi siya mag-equal to 0. Bakit? Magiging undefined yung sagot. Okay? Next, let's proceed. Also, when we multiply fractions, we simplify before and after multiplying by dividing out or canceling out the common factors or the factors common to both the numerator and denominator. So we do the same way when we multiply rational expression. That's why ni-recall natin kung paano yung procedure ng multiplying fractions. Okay, so here's the procedure or steps on how to multiply rational expression. First, we will factor the numerator and the denominator completely. Second, we will divide or cancel out common factors. Third, multiply the remaining terms and we can simplify it if possible. Okay? Next, let's have an example para mas maintindihan natin and para magamit natin yung procedure na sinabi doon. Okay, so for example, we have a raised to 5 over 10 times 5 over a raised to 3. So ang gagawin lang po natin, i-multiply lang yung numerator together. Ganito yan. We have multiply a raised to 5 times 5. So magiging 5a raised to 5. And for the denominator, 10 times a cube, magiging 10a cube. And then after that, we can simplify if possible. Now, since we have common factors from the coefficients, from numerator we have 5 and sa the denominator we have 10, meron silang GCF or greatest common factor na 5, so we can divide both sides by 5. Okay? Or i-simplify natin, 5 over 10, that is equal to 1/2. Okay? Next, kapag pinag-uusapan naman yung variables and exponents, kapag magkaparehas yung variable nila, magsusubtract tayo ng exponents nila. So, ibig sabihin, when we are dividing exponents, using loss on exponents, magsusubtract po tayo ng exponents. So, we have 5 minus 3, that is equal to 2. Now, ang tanong, saan ba natin isusulat yung 2? Okay? Siyempre sa taas ng variable, pero sa numerator ba or sa denominator? Of course, ilalagay natin siya sa numerator. Bakit? Kasi mas mataas yung 5 kesa kay 3 na exponent sa denominator. So we have here 1a squared over 2, or pwede natin siyang isulat as a squared over 2. Okay? Kasi meron lang naman siyang invisible 1 na coefficient dito sa unahan. So this is the final answer. Now, pwede rin natin gamitin yung instruction or procedure doon um, sa last slide, yung procedure na binigay ko. So ang gagawin natin, we can multiply or pwede natin is factor yung numerator and denominator. Paano? Ganito. We have a raised to 5 and a cube. Ang gagawin natin, i-factor natin yung numerator na a raised to 5. So magiging a squared times a cube. So kapag inad natin yung exponents, 5 lang naman yung kalalabasan niya. And also we have here, sa denominator, 2 times 5, that is equal to 10. Pinactor out lang po natin. And i-copy lang natin yung second expression. Now, pwede na tayong mag-cancel out ng common factors from numerators and denominators. So, merong a cube sa numerator, meron ding a cube sa denominator, and also 5 from numerator and denominator. So, yung remaining values are a squared over 2. Parehas lang silang dalawa. Now, meron pa akong pangatlong procedure kung paano makuha yung final answer. Okay? So, using cross multiplication. Paano ba mag-cross multiplication? Ganito lang po yan. Let's say we have a raised to 4, a raised to 5 over 10 times 5 over a cube. So, pwede na natin siyang idirekta dito. Okay? Itong dalawa, i-multiply natin. We have a raised to 5 and a cube. Isusubtract lang po natin. Ito magiging a squared and ito makakancel out na. Okay, so 5 minus 3, that is equal to 2, kaya naging a squared. And also itong dalawa, 5 and 10, they have both common factors na 5. So itong 5 makakancel. And 10 over 5, that is equal to 2. So na-cancel na yung second expression. Yung natitirang values na lang is a squared and 2 sa denominator. So pare-parehas lang yung nakuha nating sagot. And that is up to you kung ano yung gusto nyong gamitin na solution. Next, let's have another example. So let's try to use the cross multiplications. Okay? So we have 30 b squared and 15 b raised to 4. So ang gagawin natin, find the common factors of these two values. Itong 15 and 30. So ang common factors nila are yung GCF, the greatest common factors, is 15. So i-divide natin siya both sides by 15. So 15 divided by 15 is 1. And 30 divided by 15 is 2. And for the variable and exponents, makakancel na si b squared since mas mababa siya kay b raised to 4. And isubtract natin yung exponents nila. 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2. Kaya magiging b squared na lang yung b raised to 4. And also here, 4 and 6, they have common factors na 2. So 4 divided by 2, that is equal to 2. And 6 divided by 2, that is equal to 3. Makakancel na din si C. And isubtract natin yung exponents. 2 minus 1 magiging 1 or C na lang siya. Okay, next, multiply the remaining terms. 2 times 2 times C, that is equal to 4C. And sa denominator, we have 3 times B squared. We have 3B squared. Okay, so ganun lang po siya kadali. Meron din tayo yung ifo-factor out muna natin yung numerators and denominators. So ganito, ang gagawin natin, kung ano yung mas mababang value, yun na yung pwede nating gawing base. So here, since meron tayong 30b squared, i-copy muna natin, over 6c times 4c squared over 15b raised to 4. Ang gagawin natin, since mas mababa yung 15, pag finactor natin si 30, magiging 15 times 2 na lang siya. And i-copy lang natin si b squared. And also dito kay 6c magiging 2 times 3 times c times yung 4 naman magiging 2 times 2 times c times c. And also for 15b raised to 4 magiging 15 times b times b squared times b squared. Okay? And after that, pwede na tayong mag-cancel out ng mga common factors from the numerators and denominators. So for 15, cancel na natin siya. Yung 2, makakancel na din sa baba and sa taas. Yung b squared, cancel na din. And also yung c, makakancel na din. And the remaining terms are, we have 2 times 2 times c, that is equal to 4c. We have 3 times b squared, that is equal to 3b squared. So parehas lang po yung nakuha nating sagot sa unang solution and sa pangalawang solution. Next example, we have 3b over 3f minus 12 times 4f minus 16 over 12d squared. So dito magkakaroon na tayo ng paggamit ng prior knowledge natin in factoring. Bakit? Kasi dito meron na tayong 4f minus 16 and 3f minus 12. So kailangan nating i-factor out yun. Paano? Let's have an example here. Try nating sagutan. So i-copy lang natin yung 3D and also i-factor natin yung nasa denominator. I-factor out natin yung 3, then ilalabas natin siya. So we have f minus, mag-iisip tayo ng pwedeng i-multiply kay 3 para makuha pa rin yung negative 12. So yung pwede natin gamitin is negative 4. So negative 4 times 3, that is just equal to negative 12. And also for the numerator, 4f minus 16, factor out natin yung 4. Then we have here 4 minus negative or 4 minus 4. So negative 4 times 4, that is just equal to negative 16. And also for 12d squared, pwede rin natin siyang i-factor out or i-factor magiging 3d times 4d. Okay, so 3 times 4, that is equal to 12. D times d, that is equal to d squared. Then after that, i-cancel out na natin yung lahat ng common factors. Cancel yung 3D, cancel din yung f minus 4. Okay? And also, we can cancel out yung 4 from numerator and yung 4 from the denominator. So yung matitira na lang is 1 over 3D. So since walang natira sa numerator, 1 na lang siya. And sa denominator, 3 times d, that is equal to 3d. Okay? So, ganun lang po siya sagutan. Now, let's try naman to answer these problems. We have 7 over x raised to 4 times x raised to 5 over 21. So, kung magko-cross multiply lang tayo, sobrang dali lang yan, no? Because 7 and 21 have common factors, which is 7. 7 divided by 7, magiging 7 lang. And 21 divided by 7, that is equal to 3. And also, cancel out x raised to 4 since mas mababa siya kay x raised to 5. And yung x raised to 5, isusubtract lang natin yung exponent. 5 minus 4 magiging 1. So, x na lang siya. So, ang magiging sagot po natin is x over 3. Ganun lang po siya kadali. Okay po, kung gagamitin naman natin yung factoring, we have 7 over x raised to 4 since mas mababa silang dalawa. Then yung x raised to 5 magiging x raised to 4 times x. And also we have 7 times 3. Cancel out 7 from numerator and denominator, and also x raised to 4 from numerator and denominator. And then the remaining values are x over 2. So parehas lang po yung nakuha nating sagot. Okay? Next example. We have 9a squared b over 4m squared n cubed times 2mn squared over 3a squared b raised to 4. So ang gagawin natin, let's use the cancellation or the cross multiplication method. We have 9 and 3. Ano yung common factors nila? 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. And 9 divided by 3 is 3. And also a squared, from numerator and denominator, cancel out na since magkaparehas naman sila. Then b and b raised to 4 magiging b cubed. Bakit? 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3. Kaya b cubed na lang. And also, we have 2 and 4. Yung common factor nila is 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1 and 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. M squared and m, cancel na si m since mas mababa siya kay m squared. And subtract natin yung exponent, 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. So m na lang ito. Same with the n squared over n cubed. Cancel na yung n squared, 3 minus 2, magiging m na lang siya. Then, multiply the remaining terms. 3 na lang yung natitira sa numerator. And yung sa denominator, we have 2 mn b cubed. So this is the final answer. Okay. Next one. We have 15x raised to 5 over 3y minus 12 times 4y minus 16 over 5x. Try natin yung cross multiplication. Ano yung common factor ng 15 and 5? Okay, the common factor is 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. 15 divided by 5 is 3. And for x raised to 5 and x, subtract lang yung exponent. 5 minus 1 magiging 4. So x raised to 4 na siya. And also, if a factor natin yung numerator and denominator sa 4y minus 16 and 3y minus 12. So, naging problem na din natin to kanina. So, we have here 3x raised to 4 yung natitira. And here, we have 3 times y minus 4. Okay, and also 4 times the quantity of y minus 4 over 1. Okay, next, cancel the common factors from numerator and denominator. We have y minus 4, cancel na yung dalawa. And also, pwede rin nating i-cancel itong nandito sa numerator and denominator na 3. And yung natitira na lang is 4x raised to 4 over 1 or 4x raised to 4 na lang. So this is the final answer. Okay, so I hope you get the point and you get on how to multiply rational expression. Okay, now let's proceed sa next example. Pwede nating i-factor yung dalawa. 5x minus 15, i-factor out natin yung 5 times the quantity of x minus 3. Bakit 3? Kasi 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. And also, 7 times the quantity of x plus 1. Okay? So, 7 times 1 is 7. Times 7 over x minus 3. Now, pwede na tayong mag-cancel out ng common factors, yung x minus 3 from numerator and denominator, and also 7 from numerator and denominator. And then the remaining values are 5 over x plus 1. This is the final answer. All right. Now, Another example, we have 12 over a minus 6 times 8a minus 48 over 54a. Let's try. Ang gawin natin, i-factor natin lahat. Ano yung pwedeng i-factor kay 12? We have 2 times 2 times 3 over a minus 6. Copy lang natin since hindi naman siya pwedeng ma-factor. Factor out natin yung 8 times the quantity of a minus 6 because 8 times negative 6 is negative 48. And also for 54a, we have 6 times 9, right? Or using prime factorization, pwede rin siyang 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. Okay? That's another choice para makancel natin lahat. Okay? Now, let's have another A because 54A siya. Okay po, cancel out na natin yung common factors. We have A minus 6 from numerator and denominator. Also 2, cancel. Yung 3, cancel na din. And yung natitira na lang is 2 times 8, we have 16 over 3 times 3, that is equal to 9, 8. Okay? So 16 and 9, do they have common factors? Wala na. So ibig sabihin, ito na yung final answer nilang dalawa. Okay? Nitong problem na ito. Okay, let's try. Next example. 7a squared over 15b plus 15, 5b plus 15 times 6b plus 18 over 49a raised to 8. We have 7 and 49. Ano yung common factors nila? We have 7. So, copy muna natin yung problem. We have 7a squared over yung 5, i-factor out natin. We have 5 times the quantity of b plus 3 times 6 times the quantity of b plus 3 as well. And also, i-factor out naman natin yung 49. Or i-factor natin. We have 7 times 7 times a squared times a raised to 6. Okay? So, pwede na nating i-cancel yung 7 and yung a squared from numerator and denominator and yung b plus 3 from numerator and denominator. Now, ano na lang yung natitirang values? We have 6 over b. We have 5 times 7 times a raised to 6. 5 times 7 is equal to 35. And the final answer is 6 over 35a raised to 6. Okay? Ganun lang po kung paano mag-multiply ng rational expression. Now, let's proceed in dividing rational expression. So, kapag alam niyo na kung paano mag-multiply ng rational expression, mas madali na lang po yung pag-divide ng rational expression. Bakit? Because the rule in dividing rational expression or kung paano ba mag-divide ng rational expression, ganito yung procedure niya. Yung first procedure niya, you will multiply the dividend and the reciprocal of the divisor, and the remaining steps is gagamitin na natin kung paano mag-multiply ng rational expression. Okay? Now, paano ba yan? Para mas maintindihan natin yung point, let's have an example here. Let's say, for example, we have 6b over 20a squared divided by 4c over 15a raised to 4. Sabi ko nga kanina, let's multiply. Okay? The dividend and the reciprocal of the divisor. So, i-copy lang natin yung unang expression or itong dividend. Then, yung division sign, mapapalitan ng multiplication sign. And then, babalik na rin lang natin yung second expression or yung divisor. Okay? We have 15a raised to 4 na mapupunta na siya sa numerator and yung 4c sa denominator na po. And then after that, we can simplify it now. Ano yung common factor ng 6b and 4c? Now, yung numerator and denominator, yung b and c na variable, hindi sila common factor. Okay? Kasi magkaiba sila ng variable. Pero yung 6 and 4, meron silang common factor na 2. So we can divide both sides by 2. 4 divided by 2, that is equal to 2. And 6 divided by 2, that is equal to 3. And then remain b and c. And for 15a raised to 4 and 20a squared, cancel out natin yung 15 and 20 because they have common factors na 5. So divide natin by 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3 and 20 divided by 5 is 4. Then let's multiply the remaining terms. 3 times 3, that is equal to 9 times a raised to 4, 9a raised to 4. We have also 4 times 2 times a squared. 4 times 2, that is equal to 8. And a squared c. Now, meron pa tayong hindi na simplify, which is yung a raised to 4 and a squared. Ano yung common factors? Isusubtract lang po natin yung exponent nila. 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2. So, magiging a squared na lang siya. So, yung final answer natin is 9a squared over 8c. So, this is the final answer. Okay? Next example. 6ab squared over 4cd. I-copy lang natin siya. 6ab squared over 4cd. Times, again, papalitan natin ng multiplication sign, yung division sign. So, magiging 9a squared b squared, mapupunta na siya sa denominator. And yung 8c squared d, mapupunta sa numerator. Next, simplify. 6 and 9. What is the common factor in 6 and 9? Correct, that is 3. So 6 divided by 3, that is equal to 2. And 9 divided by 3, that is equal to 3. Then subtract the exponent of the variable a. 2 minus 1, magiging 1, kaya a na lang siya. B squared, from numerator and denominator, they have both the same exponent, kaya cancel out na natin siya. Same with 8 and 4. Ano yung common factor? 4. So 8 divided by 4 is 2. And also 4, makakancel na siya. Then, c squared over c, 2 minus 1, magiging c na lang siya. Then, cancel out d from numerator and denominator. Ano na lang yung natitirang values? We have 2 times c, that is equal to 4c over 3a. And that is the final answer. Okay, last example, I think. We have 15a squared over 3b minus 12. Okay, copy muna natin. 15a squared over 3b minus 12. Yung division sign, magiging multiplication sign. Then yung 5b minus 20, mapupunta sa numerator. And yung 5a, mapupunta sa denominator. Now, try nating i-factor lahat. Ano yung common factor ng 15 and 5? That is 5. So, magiging 5 times 3 times a times a. Over, factor out natin yung 3. Then, ilabas sa parenthesis. So, we have b minus 4. So, 5 naman, i-factor out natin times the quantity of b minus 4 since 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. Then copy 5a. And then after that, cancel out the common factors. 5, yung A, cancel out, and also B, minus 4. Now, ano na lang yung mga natitira? And also, we have 3 from numerator and denominator. Cancel out na din. Then, yung natitirang values na lang is 5A. Then, sa denominator, 1. Or yung final answer natin is 5A na lang. Okay? Last example. We have 7x raised to 7x minus 14 over y raised to 5. Copy lang natin, 7x minus 14 over y raised to 5. Division sign, magiging multiplication sign. Then, denominator mapupunta sa numerator and numerator mapupunta sa denominator. Factor, 7 times the quantity of x minus 2. And then y cubed times y squared times y cubed over x minus 2. And then after that, i-cancel out na natin yung common factors sa numerator and denominator. And then the remaining terms are 7 over y squared. Okay? And that is it for our discussion for our video lesson about multiplication and division of rational expression. I hope naintindihan nyo po yung procedure, yung solution, kung paano natin makuha yung product and quotient ng rational expression. Okay, once again, this is Sir Charles Shaine Marcial. Thank you so much for listening and for watching this video. I hope you understand and you learned something from this video. Okay? Always remember that God is good all the time. Keep always safe and bye-bye.